So good evening, students. Again, I come to the session of section B part for some sample question. Let's see some logical programming. So they have given what is the output of the following code. They have taken t equal to 100, print t into 2. Okay. So 100 into 2, 200. So answer will be C. Answer will be C. Okay. So one question arises here. Here it is the replication of operator. That means it will be double. If the t will be like this 100 comma, then if it will be written like this, print t into 2, then it will be the D option. If it will be like this, okay, 100 comma, then 100 will be repeated. If only one element is there, then it will be multiplied directly. Okay, so the answer will be 200. On to the next question. Suppose the content of myfile.txt. This is one text file and this is the entire content you can see here. Okay. So open the content, read lines. Read lines means read all the lines. Okay. So when we read all the lines, length, print the length of the data. So length means how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 4. B. Okay. Then next question. Identify the output of the following Python statement. What is the output? This is a nested list. Okay. So in a nested list, they have taken first this 3 as 0th index and this 3 as the 1th index. That means x of 0 is referred to first list, x of 1 is referred to the second list. Okay, then again it will be indexed like 0 1 2, 0 1 2. So here the question arises is y equal to x of 1 of 2. So x of 1 means it will be referred to the second list, then 2, then which one is the 2? This one. So answer will be 15.0. Okay. Identify the output of the following statement. So it is a very simple program. X equal to 2, while x less than 9, print x. Every time it will be incremented. So x less than 9 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C is the correct answer. Then very interesting program. Identify the output. They have taken b equal to 1. For a in range, 1 2, very interesting question. Observe this question very carefully, students. Okay, starting from 1, 10, and every time it will be 2, means one step, 2 step will be increases. So the working of the range function, as you know, starting from 1 ending at 10 minus 1, last minus 1, so 9, and every time 2. So it will be starting from 1, then 2 step 3, then 2 step 5, then 2 step 7, then 2 step 9. Okay, so these are the things we got in the A. Okay, then they have given B plus equal to arithmetic assignment. That means first it will be added, then it will be assigned. A plus 2. That means B equal to B plus A plus 2. Okay. So what is the value of B? 1. What is the value of first A? 1 plus 2. So answer will be how much? 4. So now B value changed to 4 or not? Everyone understood, I think. Then now B value is equal to 4. 4 plus A value is 3. Second value of A is 3, then 2. So it will be 9. Now B value is changed to 9 or not? Then again 9 plus 5 plus 2. So it will be 16. Now B value is changed to 16. Then again 16 plus 7 plus 2, 25. Now B value is changed to 25. Now 25 plus 9 plus 2. So it will be 36. Now B value changed to 36. So answer will be 36. I think everyone understood it very clearly. Listen it carefully, then you can easily understand. There is nothing, just simple logic. Then they have given one list: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so put the index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so insert. What is the use of insert method? They will be insert the in a particular position, particular item. First one is the position, second one in the third position. So 10, 15, 0, 1, 20 is the second position, 0, 1, 2. In third position they enter 4. Okay, first operation done. Second position enter 3. Zeroth position, first position, second position 3. Okay, then what will be left? You can see 10, 15, 3. Okay, then 4. Sorry, 10, 15. Okay, you can see 10, 15, 20. Okay, 10, 15, 3. Okay, it will be changes. Now this value will be constant here. Okay, so just these two will be added in place of here 10, 15. In the second it will be 3. Okay, in the third it will be 4. Then 20. Sorry, 20. Okay, here I am writing 10, 15, 3, 4, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so list of 1 minus 5. So from the backward, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So which answer? Answer will be 3. Okay, so let the element will be in their position. In the third position, fourth element, second position, third element. But all the values should be there. There are not. Okay, then we'll be start from the backward indexing. So on the fifth position 3 will be there. You can check practically here in their copy or any software. 32 number question. Raghav is trying to write the TOEFL. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 on a binary file test.fin. Consider the following code: import pickle 1 2 3 4 5 write mode pickle Okay, in the write means they want to write. So which method will be dump? So option 1, dump the file name, then the tuple. Okay. So in 32, option A is the correct. Sorry. First the tuple, first the object, then the file. Okay. DOM method will be used. First they will be use the object, then it is file. Okay. DOM method is for writing, load method is for reading. Okay. A binary file employee.dat has the following data. They have given one table: display, open, total sum 0, try, file true, pickle.load, r of 0, e number, total sum. Okay, r of plus r of 2, accept, close, and total sum. They have given one code. When the above mentioned function display 103 is executed, the output displays is 1,90,000. Write the appropriate jump statement from the following. Tell which statement will be applied to get the output at display 1,90,000. So there is how many jump statement: break and continue. So if here we can use the continue statement because we have to continue it, because in 103, after 103, 104 and 105 is there. Okay, when we will be come to this point, then entirely we will get this output. So in continue statement means it will be come to the next iteration. Okay, if we use break here, it will break there and it will be go not go for the next. Okay, what will be output of the following code? Add number 1, number 2, sum equal number 1 plus number 2, add 20, 30, print sum. Okay, so everyone I think understood the answer will be 50, but the answer will be no. Why? Because it is the function part. They have not written any main program part. Okay, left the main program part, or they have not called the function properly. Calling of the function is required properly. Okay, so answer will be no. If only the function part is there, then there should be no output. So if there is no output, so that means no. Then evaluate the following expression and identify the correct answer. So first we'll evaluate the bracket. So 16 minus 6 into 5 plus 8 to the power 3, 8. Okay, 2 to the power 3, 8. So 16 exponent will be 8. So here it will be, you can see, 6 into 5, 30, plus it will be 32. So it will be 16, it will be plus 2, answer will be 8. So first the bracket work, then exponent, then multiplication, then okay, addition, then the whatever part you will get here. Okay, according to our rule, operator rule. See the operator table, which operator is first, which operator is second. Then come to the next question. Function variable 1 is 100, variable 2 200, variable 1 plus equal to 10, variable 2 minus 10. Okay, return variable 1 plus variable. When they call the function, they have taken first value is 50. So we'll apply it variable 1 equal to 50. Okay. So first it will be incremented by 10. So 50 plus 10, 60. Then it will be variable 2 is 200 because they have not mentioned anything, that means 200. So 200 minus 10, 190. So when it will be added, it will be 250. Then in the second one, okay, they have not mentioned anything, means it will be 100 and 200. So 100 plus 10, 110, then 200 minus 10, 190. So it will be 300. So the answer will be 250 and 300. Okay. Then what will the output of the following? You can see value starting 50, display global value, that means global access value equal 25. If n percentage 7 equal to 0, then value plus n, otherwise value minus n, and with end hex. They have taken 20 value. Okay, first it will be printed 50 because this is the global, means all the access. Then here they have taken 20 value. 20 divided by 7 equal to 0, no. So value minus n, so value is, what is the value, 25 minus n, 20, so 5. So answer will be 50, then it will be 5. Okay, kindly do the practical logical question in any software, spider or anywhere, easily you can get it. Then import random module. Random is the module. This is the list they have given. Y in range 4. Okay, so random int 1 to 3. So random int means they will be create the integer 1 to 3, means 1 and 2. So which one is 1 and 2? This is 0th index 1. So these two will be repeated. There is no other Delhi and Kolkata. So in which option these two only repeated? Mumbai and Chennai. This is the answer. Okay, with the hacks. Then 39 question. What is the output of the following snippet? Change value m and n for I in range n, m percentage I, 5 equal to 0, divide by 5, percentage 3, divide by 3. L they have given this one. Change value L of 4. I in L, print I. So if we see that they have taken m and n, and they will be a range. I will be go up to n. So if the m value is divided by 5 equal to 0, then again it will be divided by 5. If m of I divide divide with 3, 0, divided by 3. So they have taken L 25, 8, 75, 12. So which value will be accepted? I in L, that means now we have to take I here, I in range n. So whatever value will take 25 by 5, 0. So it will be divided by 5 equal to, if 5, so 5 is the answer. 8 divided by 5 not equal to, means 0. So it will be 8. Then 75 by 5, so it will be 15. Then 12 by 3, 4. So you can see if we will do all the operation, okay, but the result will come out 5, 8, 15 and 4. Okay. 14, sorry, 5, 8, 5 and 4. Okay. Then my file.txt, they have given some file. Okay. Open it, split. Split means it will be record, record by record, length of the record. Okay. What will be the length of the record? So as you know, count, okay, in all the line, split it, record by record. See the hashed record, which line contain hashed record. That will be the answer. Find out the output of the following code. Name equal to Python 3.1 r x in range. Okay, length of the name. Then we have to first calculate the length. Name of x is upper. If anyone is upper, change is to lower. If anyone is lower, change is to upper. Anyone is digit, add the name x minus 1. Else, if there is no such case, add hex there. Okay. So try it and you will be surely get the B will be the correct answer. Okay. Then come to 42 question. Content my file.txt honesty is the best policy. Open it, read it, find out the length. Okay. So if you check the length means starting from 1. It will be start from count from 1. 1 to all the things. So it will be 27. Count it. Okay. Count this one including space also. Count. You can get 27. Then 43 question. Content of my file.txt. Culture is the widening of the mind and spirit. What is the output? Open it, read the file, count the how many times the word is here. You can see here count is the one time, widening of the mind two time. So the or anywhere is there here another time of the spirit. So three time. So count it later and will be the output. Okay. Then 44. What will be the output of the following code? As you can see, x equal to 3, my function global x plus equal to 2, print x my function. When they call my function, okay, first it will be print 3. Then global x plus equal to 2, 5. Okay, print x 5. Then again in the outside also it will be print 5 because the value that reflected here, the global x, it will be reflected in the outside also. So 3, 5 and 5. Then 45. My file.txt Ek Bharat Sheshta Bharat. They have written the content. Open it, list. They have given one list. VC. Vowel count 0. My file.read. Read the list. This list. Okay. And count the vowel. How many vowel count is there? Okay. and write. Here means how many letter is here, that will be present in the list. Count, so it will be 7. We can count here. E, capital E is there. Small a is 2 times 3. Then small e is 1 time 4. Then small a is 2 times 6. Okay. The small a is 3 times 7. Okay. Like this. You will be count all the vowel. 46 questions same. Another, they have given one file name. Text count, line count 0. Read lines. Read lines means they'll be read all the lines. If line of 0 equal to t, line of count plus equal to 1. Okay. So they have taken from 0 and we have to count the line. So how many line you can get starting from t? In the 0th position, you can see in the 0th index, capital T is there. First line and in the last line. So you can get two lines. So answer will be 2. Okay. Where you will get the capital T from the beginning, increase 1. So 2 times. So it will be 1, 1, 2. Then 47 question. Okay. So they have given one directory structure. They will be telling root directory is school and present working directory at syllabus.jpg. Then consider the following directory structure. What will be the absolute path? Okay. So absolute means the entire path there being there. Uh, then absolute and the concurrent. Concurrent means where there is working. So here the parent directory is school. So first school should be there. Okay. Then academics. After school academics would be there. After academics syllabus.jpg, because they is asking syllabus.jpg. So the entire structure from the beginning to end, it is called absolute. Okay. And the next one concurrent is the where he is working now. Suppose syllabus.jpg is there. So here it will refer to only this one. Okay. So answer will be B. Then 48 question. Assume the context of the file student.txt. My file open, read all the lines, close. What will the data type of the data underscore record? So it will be, you can see, okay, it will be the list format. How? Because the read lines function convert all this string to list. Okay. So the answer will be 48 will be B. In the 49 question, what will be the output of the following? Tuple 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it is the first tuple, one list and tuple. So tuple 1 of 2 of 1, 3.14. Okay. So where will be change? This one. You can see 0, 1, 2. Okay. 2 of 1. So 0th index, 1th index, it is called second index. So in the second index, this position, you have to change 3.14. So which one is the correct? B. 1, 2, 1, 3.143. Okay. You can see here 1, 2, they have given, then 1 given, then 2 given, 3 given. So starting 0 index, second index, this 2 is 2 index. Okay. In 2 index, again it is 0th index, it is 1th index. then it is 3 index. So they have given second index of second index means 0 and 2 1, 0 and 1, this one 2, so it will be changed to 3.14. The answer will be okay. I think everyone understood. This is all about the section B. Later we will discuss the case study question. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day.